The Karnataka Cabinet, chaired by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, has approved an amendment to the Karnataka Transparency in Public Procurement (KTPP) Act, introducing a 4% reservation in tenders for Muslim contractors. Official sources confirmed this decision on Friday, highlighting the government's push for inclusivity in public procurement. In another key decision, the Cabinet cleared the Karnataka Gram Swaraj and Panchayat Raj Amendment Bill, which seeks to provide khatas to all unauthorized rural properties. This move mirrors a similar initiative in urban areas and is expected to benefit nearly 90 lakh rural properties currently lacking khatas. The Cabinet also deliberated on a proposal to allocate 4.24 acres of land in Hebbal belonging to the Agriculture Department to the International Flower Auction Bangalore IFAB. The land will be provided rent-free for 2 years to support the city's flourishing floriculture sector. In the wake of the devastating fire at Bangalore Bio-Innovation Centre in January, the Cabinet approved financial assistance of 96.77 crore rupees for reconstruction and replacement of equipment. The decision aims to revive the centre's research and innovation activities. Discussions were also held on reforming the Karnataka Public Service Commission. The government decided to form an expert committee to suggest revamp measures and a search committee for the appointment of KPSC members.